If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here in mail call time, so let's get started and get this done and out of the way. Here's the pen that I'm excited about. Of course I'm excited about all my pens, but this one especially so. First of all, Mike Green, a friend of mine who does custom pens, and I must say does a very good job of doing that. I'm not just saying that because he's a friend. I'm just telling you because it is what it is, the truth. Believe it or not, that's up to you. So here comes the pen, and his wife makes these little sacks, don't they call them?
I think so, yes.
And they're kind of cool, they're different. They have a nice soft touch that protects the pen inside, and you can use them for knickknacks or whatever your heart desires. So here's the pen. Get a real good close-up of that. Isn't that beautiful? That is nothing but a stunning, beautiful fountain pen. What's your thoughts, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, I like it. The color contrast is really nice.
And I will be doing a review on this and do some pen comparisons and all that good jazz and giving you all the information about this pen, the nib, etc., because you know, when you're excited about a beautiful pen that meets everything in your criteria, you want to just let it all out and let everybody know, well, this is the pen. And you know, for real, on the real side of this thing is that it's a win-win for the customer. Why? You're already getting a very affordable deal. 2, you're going to get a 15% off the pen just by mentioning Larry, the secret code. But last but not least, there's 3 things really. Your nib is going to come already tuned. And that's by who, Mr. Announcer? Dun 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 dun.
I forgot his name.
So that's why I'm looking. I always forget names. Kirk
Spears.
I am so bad at names. Forgive me, 1,000 kisses. Mwah! So, yep, Kirk Spears is the man. He does one heck of a job. Make sure all these nibs are tuned, so that way you, the customer, are ready to enjoy your pen. And you know, Mike sends you all these goodies to get you started, and you're on your way with the real deal. A whole lot more to say. I'm not saying any more because I gotta say something for the review, right? So that's it, everybody. God bless you. Be good. Be kind. Be thoughtful. Be safe. Peace and love. And please, be kind to a stranger. But as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.